Installing the Halo Table pickup roller. Remove the knob from the rear take-up tube. Place the pickup roller bracket on the outside of the end arm so it angles toward the front of the table. The silver tab in the take-up tube fits into the rectangular opening on the bracket. The bracket should not angle toward the back of the table. Reinsert the knob through the roller bracket and the take-up tube and tighten. Insert a bolt from the outside through the bracket and end arm. Place a nut on the bolt end and tighten to secure the bracket to the end arm. Repeat the steps on the other side of the table. Remove the knob, add the bracket, replace the knob, and secure the bracket with the bolt and nut. Attach the pickup roller so the canvas falls from the back of the roller. The pickup roller will rotate forward as it advances while you quilt. Place a black rubber washer between the take-up roller and the bracket. Line up the roller with the hole in the bracket and secure with the hand knob. Repeat for the other side of the table. To use the pickup roller, loosen the knobs on each end of the roller. Advance the quilt by rolling the pickup roller toward the front. Release the quilt by rolling the pickup roller toward the back. Then retighten the hand knobs to hold the roller in place.